MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
In 2020, Hyundai went bigger than they'd ever gone before with the Palisade 3-row crossover. And to say it was a big hit would be an understatement. Now they're looking to keep the good times rolling with a new second-gen Palisade while injecting some new possibilities like this XRT Pro into the conversation. The 3-row Hyundai Palisade impressed just about everyone when it arrived, so following that up with this second generation is surely a tall task. But the 2026 Palisade is indeed tall, as well as larger overall, and aims to deliver the same things that made their first design so successful, while increasing refinement and even adding new ingredients into the mix. That starts with a first-time available hybrid system. It's a new 2.5-liter i4-based system with 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. While optional on most Palisades, that doesn't include their other big addition, this first Palisade XRT Pro. XRT signals Hyundai's batch of off-road style upgrades that first appeared on 22 Santa Fe. But with the new Palisade, Hyundai is taking things a little more seriously by adding some actual off-road spec hardware for a new XRT Pro model. With standard H-Track all-wheel drive, XRT Pro adds an electronic limited-slip rear differential. It rolls on 18-inch all-terrain tires, expands terrain modes with mud, sand, and snow settings, while upping ground clearance by an inch. There's also a surround view monitor with forward ground view to help you see what you can't see, plus real-time pitch and roll displays and red recovery hooks front and rear. As for power, XRT Pro shares the same V6 engine that is standard on the rest of the Palisade lineup. It's a new V6, now displacing 3.5 liters down from last gen's 3.8 liters. Horsepower is also down from 291 to 287, while torque dips from 262 to 260 pound-feet, both quite a bit less than the hybrid. A bigger vehicle with less power doesn't exactly signal good things when heading to our Mason-Dixon test track. Throw in the XRT Pro's off-pavement focus, and it's no surprise it was a sluggish romp to 60 of 8.3 seconds, almost a full second slower than the last Palisade we tested. Sounds from the engine bay indicated everything was working very hard to move this rig down the track. Its job made harder by transmission shifts in the 8-speed automatic that prioritize smoothness over quickness. But all told, a 16.3-second quarter mile at 88 miles per hour for a family truckster is more than adequate. In our handling course, there was a lot of body roll and understeer, but Sport Mode did tighten things up a bit and definitely provided more feedback through the steering wheel. When panic braking, stops were very aggressive with lots of nosedive and sounds of ABS laboring hard. But no complaints about the results, just 103 feet from 60 miles per hour. Even in this XRT Pro, Hyundai's focus on NVH improvement is readily noticeable, thanks to additional sound deadening materials, wider application of sound-absorbing carpet, and using thicker glass. Add in suspension updates that include a new self-leveling rear that helps give it much better composure on rough roads, and the Palisade inches further into luxury territory. That's certainly the vibe of the Palisade's interior, with 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation standard, along with more soft-touch materials than before. Most trims come equipped with second-row captain's chairs and 7-passenger seating, but the base SE comes equipped with a second-row bench, and it's an option with SELs. Third-row access has improved, and cargo capacity has increased, with 19.1 cubic feet behind the third row, 46.3 behind the second, and a max of 86.7. With buyers clamoring for hybrids, they'll be pleased with government fuel economy ratings as high as 33 city, 35 highway, and 34 combined. Our V6 XRT Pro is more traditional for a large ute at 16 city, 22 highway, and 19 combined. The Palisade is one of the few remaining Hyundais that's not built here in the U.S., but pricing remains a segment bargain starting at $41,035. XRT Pro comes in well under top calligraphy at $51,470. Hybrids add a $2,200 premium over the V6. It's hard to follow up a runaway hit as big as the original Palisade, so it's understandable that the 2026 Hyundai Palisade is not quite the game changer it was. Still, Hyundai is giving it a go with more refinement, a perfectly timed hybrid, and more features across the board. Enough to win our 2026 Driver's Choice Award for Best Large Utility. So the new Palisade is clearly a better Palisade, and thus a better bargain than ever.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.